right, here's what we got. We're going to be doing 1/2, 1/4, and 0.59, 2/3. Now, it looks crazy. If you need a chance to freak out, go for it. Freak out. Done freaking out. Now, all we're doing is it's the exact same problem as before, only this time we're dealing fractions. But you did fractions back in 4th grade, so you should be all right, right?
Yeah.
All right, so here's what we got. M is this minus that, so that's 2/3 minus 1/4 divided by 5/9 minus 1/2. All right, let's see. If it's all right with you, I'm going to do some chalkboard math. I'll just write it all out. This is the common denominator between these two fractions is, I'm going to add these two first, and then I'm going to add these two, and then I'll divide the whole thing. The common denominator between 2/3 and 1/4 is 12. In order to make this 12, I had to make this thing, multiply this by 4. So that would be 8/12 minus 1/4. I would have to multiply that by 3, so that's 3/12. I didn't change anything. All I did was I multiplied the top and the bottom over here by 4 and the top and the bottom over here by 3. This thing over here becomes, I think the common denominator is 18. In order to get this to be 18, I have to multiply it by 2, so I have 10/18, which is also known as 5/9, minus 9/18. Cool. All right, so this thing is equal to 8 minus 3, that's 5/12, divided by 1/18. Cool?
Yeah, cool.
All right, now what I'm going to do is, see this fraction divided by a fraction? I'm not sure if you guys remember how to do that, but anyway, I'll tell you how to do it. It's pretty straightforward. If you have a fraction over a fraction, and it's just a pure fraction divided by another pure fraction, you take that fraction on the bottom, you flip them over, and you multiply them by the one on top. So I have the one on top, and I'm going to take the one on the bottom, 1/18. I'm going to flip him over and multiply him. So that's 18/1. Now what I could do is I could do 5 times 18 and then divide it by 12 in my head. I'd rather reduce it before I do that, so I'm going to divide both the top and the bottom by, what is the biggest number I can get?
130,000?
No, 6. If I divide the top and the bottom by 6, this would be 3 and this would be 2. So really I have 15/2. That is my slope. M is 15/2. Now, to get the intercept, I would just choose one of these points. Let's choose this point over here. And so I have y equals mx plus b, m being 15/2, so my y is 1/4 equals 15/2 times 1/2, because that's the x, plus b, and I just got to solve for b. So this is what? 15 times 1 divided by 2 times 2, that's 15/4. Go with that?
That's a different body.
Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to that side, or subtract that to that side. So I have 14/4, also known as 7/2. Oh, I'm sorry, it's negative because I subtracted the 15/4 to that side. So it's 1 minus 15 is negative 14 divided by 4 still. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And so that's negative 7/2, and that's my b. So my equation is y equals mx plus b. Sorry, I'm running out of room here. Is y equals the m, which is 15/2, x plus, not plus, but minus 7/2. That's my equation. If I wanted to, and I would encourage you to do this, but take the other point, this point, and plug it into here and see if you get that. If you plug in x equals 5/9, you'll end up calculating all this out and getting y equals 2/3.
I got it. I just draw the juice box.
Alright.
That's yummy. How do you make a juice box yummy?
I'm done. I'm tired.
Hey, don't go home yet. Okay, I'll do all the sciencey stuff. Now I